Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to join your friend's game in Among Us so you can play together easily. Let's get started. First, your friend needs to host a game. They'll open Among Us and tap play, then select online. Next, they'll tap create a game, adjust the settings that they want and press confirm. And once the game loads, your friend will see a room code on the right side of the screen. They just need to copy or send that code to you. Now open Among Us on your own device and tap Play, then Online. Under the private section, enter code, type or paste the code room your friend sent, and hit that arrow button to join. And that's it. You're now connected and ready to play Among Us with your friends. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.